Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this issue on iPhone, which when you try to plug your computer, you're not seeing this particular message, alright? Well, this one is pretty easy to fix. All you're going to want to do is make sure that your cable is properly working. Try to check your cable if it's working on other devices, alright? If it's not working, your cable is dead. Now what you're going to want to do is to purchase a new one and make sure that the cable that you'll purchase is a data plus charge cable, not the charge only cable. Again, data and charge cable. All right. Now, what if that won't work? All right. For example, you bought your data plus charge cable and your phone doesn't want to connect to your computer, and this message still pops up. All right. So what you're going to want to do basically is go to your search bar right here at the bottom left, and then type in Bluetooth. All right. Once the system setting pop up, Bluetooth and other device settings, just go ahead and click on that to open the section. All right. In this page, you should be able to see your iPhone right here below these other devices. Just go ahead and click on it and click remove device. All right. After that, go ahead and close everything. Restart your computer. All right. Once the computer boots up, go ahead and plug the iPhone back, and you should be able to see the particular message again. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.